It's Danielle coming to you from the Lavender and Bergamot Kitchen, and today I want to talk to you about a cleaning vinegar. So in the store we can find lots and lots of products for cleaning our kitchen, but there's a way for us to clean our kitchen sustainably and with very few, if zero, chemicals, which is awesome, right? Lightening our chemical load is great. And finding new and interesting ways to do that is what we're all about here at the Lavender and Bergamot Kitchen. So today we are going to make a cleaning vinegar with white vinegar, some fresh rosemary from my garden, some orange peels, and some dried lavender. We could use fresh lavender too. I'm going to use this lemon a little bit later today to brighten up my water and make some lemon water for just for drinking. And so I'm going to throw these lemon peels in here. Yesterday I had an orange for snack, and so I saved the peels from that from yesterday. Laura had a bunch of oranges that she juiced, and so she saved those. And so these things aren't going to go to waste. We're going to be able to use them to make this vinegar, which later we'll add some other ingredients to, and we'll have another video on that in a little bit. But I want to help you get set up to just make the vinegar, because it takes about 4 weeks for all of the essential oils and the volatile oils from the peels and from the rosemary to infuse into the vinegar. So you're sort of thinking of it as making a tincture in a way. So I'm going to shove pretty much as much stuff as I can fit inside the jar. And then I'm going to just cover it all with vinegar. So I'm going to take some of these oranges. It doesn't matter if it has a little bit of the fruit left on it. Just toss it in. And once we get all that stuff in there, we're going to top it with the white vinegar. And let it steep. So you want to shake it up. You know, when you think about it, put it in a spot where it's not going to get a bunch of sunlight, but also somewhere where you're going to remember and not forget about it. And one thing to talk to you about that's very important with making vinegars is a plastic lid. Usually I don't like to use plastic for stuff if I don't have to, but with vinegar, it will eat the lining, the inside metal part of your lid, and you'll get little black chunks of broken down metal that reacts, and that's, you know, like fall into your beautiful creation, whatever that might be. So these plastic lids that you can find for mason jars are great for this reason specifically. And so I'm just gonna shake it up every couple of days when I think about it. I've got some dried lavender in here. The lavender is antibacterial, it's antimicrobial, it's antifungal. And then all of those beautiful smelling essential oils coming from the peels of the lemon and the orange, so that when I turn this a little bit later on into a cleaning spray for my kitchen, it's going to smell so good, and I didn't use any chemicals to do it. And I used scraps, basically scraps from my kitchen. So it's sustainable, and it's good for the environment, and it's good for your family. So stay tuned to see how this vinegar is progressing in the future.